trigger hand now. This hand comes up here because you're going onto this shoulder. Okay? Now bring your head over. Through there. To the top. Line it up, nice and easy. Squeeze the trigger slow. There you go.
I need it again?
Yep. Okay. See how much easier it is that way on this side?
Okay, look at me. Look at me real quick.
When you go to archery, you shoot left. Okay? All right? Because your left eye is a stronger eye. Line it up. There you go. All right, you keep going now.
Keep going. Elaine, where did he tell you to hold the gun? At the top before you do that. Elaine? All the way. Pull it all the way. Up. Now pull it back. Now get ready to do it again. Let's go. Hit the target. Hit the target, Elaine, not the grass.
You're a little low. Let me see. I don't think you're climbing at all.